Hi, good morning friends. This is once again Farmer Samir from Spray Food Forest and Farm Learning Center here in Sonapur in Assam, which is only 25 kilometers from Guwahati. Here we are trying a unique model of farming which I call the food forest, where we grow food inside the forest rather than not burning the forest or clearing the forest, not tilling the very beautiful virgin soil. How we grow food inside it just by planting our local crops. When I talk about food forest, it is only the local crops which grow very nicely. But here, today I am here to show you something very different, one of my experiment which I did, because I studied agriculture and my books of agriculture told me that the weeds or the unwanted plants has to be removed. And they have to be removed, and we have to grow our crops very clean, that is clean cultivation. That is why lots of herbicides and weedicides, which are very toxic to the land, water and also the human beings or the animals living around the farm, they are very dangerous. So they are also used. But here we have done an experiment which is giving us an observation which is also like something different, which I want to bring to the eyes of the researchers also, and also all my farmer friends who are practicing farming. So here I have made two patches, where in this patch we are growing turmeric in this part of the food forest, along with some local fruit crops which has wood apple, or we have some other kind of local fruit crops like the amla, the drumsticks, and some wild plants which are the part of the forest. So inside the forest only this part we are growing turmeric, and we are intercropping local chilies like the king chilies and the bird's eye chilies together with the turmeric. What I want to show you today is the place where I am staying. Here I practiced according to my textbook, the spacing, the clean cultivation, removing the grasses, and following all the things which are on the textbook. And that side, if you look here, this is somewhere where I practice my way of doing food forest, just planting and leaving it like this. But when we plant it, we make zero tillage raised beds. We collect topsoil from the jungle and we raise the bed. We put all the dry leaves. First we put a 6-inch layer of dry leaves, and then we put a 3-inch layer of topsoil. So you can see this bed is raised. So this is a raised bed, and there is no tillage, only we have raised the bed and we have put the topsoil from the jungle and dry leaves. Also I put some termite hill soil, because I know termite hill soils, when the termites abandon the hill, so the soil has got too much of protein. So jungle has got all the solutions for the plants to grow, like the wild plants grow very nicely without any care. Right? And I believe that nature is something which can make nothing to something. It's not farmers who produce the food. Farmers only assist nature to produce the food. So that is my belief. So I tried this, and this is same day planting. That turmeric plant you are looking, the tall ones and big ones, so nicely growing. This is a part of the forest, food forest, where we are not removing the grasses, weeds. We just made the raised bed and kept it like this. And this is the part where I planted in line, like my textbook. We took care, same day planting, same time planting. And we removed the grasses. Look at the growth. These are so stunted, and those are higher than me. So what I want to point out here is, nature has got its own rule of nurturing the crops. We just have to assist it. We don't have to change nature, but we have to mimic nature. This is what I want to convey to the whole world. That is why this model, I'm trying to take it to the whole part of the Northeast, where we have so much of beautiful mountains, so much of greeneries, and how we don't burn the greeneries, and along with the forest, how we grow our food. That is my mantra of growing healthy food for you.